Thinking about starting your own business to make passive income but didn't have the money to kickstart it? Well, in this video, I'll present with you 7 passive income opportunities that take little capital to get started. Hi, welcome to Savvy. Hit that like and subscribe button to get life-changing content 5 days a week. Number 1. Take advantage of high-interest bank accounts. If you have money stashed in the bank and have never had a second thought about it, it is more likely that you are not maximizing the potential that these funds generate. While using bank accounts to generate passive income may not make you rich in a matter of days. Sorry for keeping your hopes up. Moving your money into higher-yielding accounts can help your money grow at a much faster rate than normal. And the best part is that most banks don't usually require a minimum balance, meaning that if you don't have that much money to your name, you can start to gain money through interest. As of 2019, the average savings account interest rate was a measly 0.09%. But what people don't know that there are numerous better options in the table. For example, if you're looking for a low-risk, high-interest cash account, Betterment Everyday currently has a 2.44% annual percentage yield, which is far more better than 0.09%. And another to add is that the account is free, meaning the difference if you had $500 in a standard account, which would only yield 4 cents per year, comparing that to the 2.44% annually, which would yield $12 a year. Though given the fact that it is nothing to go crazy about, it takes little to no effort and will only compound as you allocate more into the account. Number 2. If you have an affinity for writing, you may as well start a blog. Starting a blog may be an excellent way to make passive income. While starting a blog may be a bigger commitment, once your content is posted, only it starts to gain traction within the Google search engine, and you will continue earning even if you continue to publish content or not. So you may be wondering, how does the blog even make money? Well, let me elaborate. As your blog gets views or traffic, readers will interact with your site. This can only be by following your associated links or purchasing products you recommend, taking up courses you build, or just helping you make money using Google AdSense. One thing about this method of making passive income is that it takes a higher degree of effort, especially in the beginning. This is because in order to generate view on your site, you will need to research, write, and market your content. But as I said, after the content is up online, it will continue generating money month after month. One of the pros in starting a blog is of the low startup costs. All you really need is a domain and web hosting, which can be very affordable. Sites like GoDaddy offers domains for as little as $2.99 for your first year, and it's less than $30 for 2 years, which is more than enough to start generating passive income. When it comes to web hosting, this is also relatively cheap. You can get web hosting from HostGator for less than $4 a month, which is a little to less than under $50 a year, meaning that having your own passive income can be yours for roughly $50 annually. Number 3. If having a blog doesn't sound enticing to you as a writer, you might consider self-publishing your own ebook. Ebooks are often much shorter than regular books, which puts you less of a burden to produce masterpieces. What's even more preferable is how cost-effective this method of generating passive income can be. If you have an imaginative mind and a personal computer, all you need is a Word document containing your writings and a cover image. Now you may insource all of the writing, editing, and graphics on your own. But if you want to spice up your book, getting professional help can be very affordable. You can get a professional book cover on Fiverr for just around $5, and proofreading can also be contracted affordably, meaning that at around $50, you can build an asset that can make you money in continuity. So, say you like this idea. Well, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is probably the easiest platform to get started on publishing your ebook, as it only takes a few minutes, and most ebooks are up in just 1 to 2 days. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can earn up to 70% in royalties on each sale to customers in most countries. And you can make your own prices and make edits to your book at any time. Idea number 4. Sell an online course. In the modern age, knowledge is the most valuable asset, and one of the best ways to take advantage of this age is through the sale of digital products like online courses. Now, you may be thinking that you may have nothing to put on the table, and don't worry, that is absolutely common thought. The good news is that there is always a market for just about any information product online. From courses on culinary to web design to journalism, chances are you are skilled in multiple areas of at least one of them and can be used to set up a value-packed course. What's more enticing is that the cost of making an online course is quite low. Most courses online consist of either audio in a slideshow or a video of the course creator, which can be made with a phone, meaning that you don't really have to invest money to start taking advantage of this passive income method. Additionally, selling your course can be cost-effective too, as multiple platforms are up online where you can host your course for free and receive a percentage of profits when you make a sale. Example, if you host your course on Udemy, any sale you make using the site's web traffic will earn you 50% of the course's cost, and if you can generate your own sales directly, you can net 97% of the purchase price. Therefore, with your current knowledge with a computer, camera, and a microphone, you can start generating income as soon as possible. Type in the comment section below on what skill do you think you can start teaching online courses with. Number 5. Starting your own ad agency. Think about how numerous small businesses are in your city. Chances are most of them are not fully taking advantages of social media to generate customers and drive more profits in their businesses. Most of them may have a Facebook or Instagram page, but that isn't enough to generate publicity in our online feeds. That's where you come in as an ad agency owner. One of the better parts about this business model is that once you have the client's advertising campaign set up and running smoothly, there is little to no work needed on your side, except on checking in a few minutes per day. It is a rather hands-off business model, so I still do think about it as quite passive in generating income after everything is set up. It is possible that you can be an agency of one, or you may expand to serve more clients. Even with little experience learning the art and skill of managing business on Facebook or any other social media platform, it's still pretty much doable, as there are numerous tutorials and crash courses on YouTube, and some even offer marketing courses online on Udemy. And for as little as $15, you see offering services such as social media marketing is beneficial because you are exchanging experience for money, and it involves less capital rather than opening a brick and mortar store or creating a physical product. So how much profit do you gain? It is normal to charge a few hundred to a few $1,000s a month per client. That is why it is one of the most favorable passive income ideas. Number 6. Create an online store. The increase of e-commerce brings in the opportunity to create a positive stream used in an online store, especially now where drop shipping has become very popular, and I will explain to you how it works. You basically create an online store that offers goods from certain manufacturers. A person comes to your site and orders a product. Then your system sends the order to the specified manufacturer, then completes the order through shipping said product to the customer, at which point you collect the profits. One of the cool things about this area of business is that you do not need to order or stock up on the inventory, meaning it has a much less initial cost, making it perfect if you have little money to start. Moreover, setting up your shop can be cheaper as well. Many drop shippers set up shop in Shopify, which charges just over $30 a month, which is cheaper than the thousands thousands of dollars, which would cost to open a brick-and-mortar shop. Once you have your store set up, the rest can be completely automated, meaning a steady flow of passive income. Number 7. Starting a YouTube channel. Every day, regular people like you and me are making money through YouTube. You might have used YouTube to pass the time on a boring day or learning something. For many people, YouTube is how they earn their living, and most of this income comes in a passive form. You see, every time someone watches your videos, advertisements can appear, and you can make money from those ads. Also, if you do have some products to sell or courses to offer, your viewers might be able to purchase those, generating income and you hardly breaking a sweat. Now, the reality is that running a YouTube channel is anything but easy, as building an audience takes consistent work and video output. But once the videos are released, it acts as a digital asset, allocating your ad revenue and hopefully sales over time. But let's say that you only relied on ads to generate income. What could your earnings look like? Take a look at the channel Darman. This channel gets over 8 million views per month. This generates over $70,000 in ad revenue per month. Now, of course, getting to this point will take some time, but even with a smaller channel, earning a few $100s per month is possible. Most YouTube sensations started creating their own channels with nothing but a phone. This means it really shouldn't cost you anything other than your creative mind. And there you have it, 7 ideas to make passive income, which can allow you to create an income stream even while you are sitting. If you like this video and want to commit to a better life, then please subscribe, as we are uploading new videos 4 to 5 times per week.